Warm greetings to all the curious minds out there. Welcome to another fascinating exploration of the universe we inhabit. Today, we delve into a concept that has sparked debates and discussions for centuries: the flat Earth theory. Believe it or not, the idea that the Earth is flat was prevalent in ancient times. Cultures from ancient Egypt to Mesopotamia, from Israel to the Norse and Germanic societies, they all shared this belief. Even the ancient Chinese held the view that the Earth was flat and square, while the heavens above were round. However, the winds of change blew in ancient Greece, where philosophers like Pythagoras, Plato, and Aristotle began to propose the idea of a spherical Earth. By the early Christian period, the spherical view of the Earth had gained wide acceptance. Interestingly, there's a common misconception that medieval Europeans believed in a flat Earth, but in reality, they were well aware of our planet's round shape. But what about today? In the age of space exploration and satellite imagery, the flat Earth theory has seen a surprising resurgence. Thanks to the power of social media, a modern flat Earth movement has emerged, challenging our scientific understanding of the universe. But why does this matter? Well, the flat Earth theory is more than just an alternative view of our planet's shape. It challenges the very foundations of our understanding of the universe. It questions the scientific knowledge that we've accumulated over centuries and forces us to reconsider what we think we know. Imagine for a moment if the Earth was indeed flat. How would that change our lives and our understanding of the universe? Living on a flat Earth would indeed be a drastically different experience. Let's explore some of the potential changes to our world, starting with gravity. On our spherical Earth, gravity pulls us toward the center, keeping us firmly on the ground no matter where we are. But on a flat Earth, gravity would pull us towards the center point, meaning the further you moved from the center, the steeper the angle you'd feel beneath your feet. Living on the edges might feel like living on a steep hill, with everything seemingly sliding towards the middle. Next, let's talk about climate. The spherical shape of our Earth, along with its tilt, gives rise to our seasons and the variety of climates we see today. But on a flat Earth, with the sun circling above, we might experience a single consistent climate. The center might be perpetually hot, while the edges could be locked in an eternal winter. The diversity of climates we enjoy, from snowy peaks to tropical beaches, might simply cease to exist. On to travel now. On our round Earth, we can travel in a straight path and eventually end up where we started. But on a flat Earth, straight line travel would take you to the edge, and you'd need to make a sharp turn to avoid falling off. Navigation as we know it would need a complete overhaul. Everyday life would be profoundly affected. The way we build our homes, the way we travel, even the way we perceive time and space would be so different. Imagine looking out your window and instead of seeing a horizon where the sky meets the Earth, you'd see the Earth stretching out flat and eventually dropping off. The differences are far-reaching and mind-boggling, aren't they? The idea of a flat Earth, while fascinating, presents us with a world far removed from the one we know. It's a testament to the incredible complexity of our planet and the delicate balance that allows life as we know it to exist. While the flat Earth theory might be an intriguing concept to ponder, the evidence for a spherical Earth is overwhelming. Let's rewind back to ancient Greece, where the idea of a spherical Earth first took root. The philosopher Pythagoras was one of the early proponents of this idea, but it was Plato and Aristotle who provided the real evidence. Aristotle, for instance, observed that during a lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow on the moon was always round, a clear indication of a spherical Earth. Fast forward to the 15th century, when explorer Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue. Despite popular myths to the contrary, Columbus didn't set out to prove the Earth was round. Educated people of his time already knew this fact. His voyage, however, did provide additional empirical evidence of a round Earth, as the ships disappeared over the horizon hull first, just as one would expect if the Earth was indeed spherical. In our modern era, we have an abundance of evidence to confirm the Earth's roundness. For starters, there are the images of Earth from space. These pictures, taken by astronauts and satellites, clearly show a round Earth. Then there's the phenomenon of time zones. If the Earth was flat, we would all experience daylight and darkness at the same time. But we know this isn't the case. When it's midday in New York, it's nighttime in Tokyo. This is only possible because of the Earth's spherical shape. And let's not forget gravity. Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation states that objects are pulled toward the center of mass. On a round Earth, this creates a downward force that pulls everything toward the ground. On a flat Earth, gravity would pull everything towards the center, causing a very different and very strange experience. The flat Earth theory, while fascinating in its own right, simply can't stand up to the weight of evidence supporting a spherical Earth. Science has spoken loud and clear. Our Earth is not flat, but a beautiful sphere spinning in the vastness of space. The resurgence of the flat Earth theory underscores the importance of scientific literacy in our society. Scientific literacy isn't just about acing biology tests or understanding the periodic table. It's about developing a critical mindset that allows us to discern fact from fiction, to question, and to understand the world around us. Every day, we're bombarded with information, some accurate, some not. With a rise in misinformation, especially on social media, it's easy to get lost in a sea of theories and conjectures. That's when scientific literacy comes in. It equips us with the tools to navigate this sea, helping us debunk pseudoscience and understand the world in its true light. Think of scientific literacy as a compass, guiding us through the complex landscape of information. It encourages us to question, to investigate, and to form our own educated opinions. It's not about accepting every scientific fact at face value, but about understanding the process by which these facts are discovered and validated. Beyond individual understanding, scientific literacy is crucial for societal progress. It's the cornerstone of informed decision-making, shaping our policies, our behaviors, and our collective future. It helps us understand the implications of climate change, the importance of vaccines, and yes, the shape of our planet. Scientific literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a tool that empowers us, allowing us to engage in informed discussions, make educated decisions, and challenge misinformation. In a world filled with misinformation, scientific literacy is our best defense. We've journeyed from the edges of a flat Earth to the spherical reality we inhabit. It's been quite an exploration, hasn't it? We've uncovered life on a hypothetical flat Earth, debunked the flat Earth theory, and highlighted the importance of scientific literacy. If this sparked your curiosity and you want more, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. Let's spread the joy of learning and questioning together. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and always question the world around you.